Welcome to this YouTube channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you. We continue with our 3D modeling basics in AutoCAD series. And today I want us to look on this video. I want us to look on some of the commonly used solids. Now let's have the box. So in AutoCAD, you can use the ribbon. We have the tools there on the ribbon, or you can just type what you want to draw. You can type it. So for the box, now if your dynamic input is on, you can see the command that is popping there says specify first corner. So specify that corner, enter now the dimensions. If you look here on the command line, you see they're asking for the length. So enter the length 120, press tab to enter the width 80, then press enter, then take the mouse upward, type 70, press enter. Now with that, you would have drawn a map, a box, the given dimension. So other primitive shapes, we have a cone. So on the box, we have a cylinder. Let's draw a cylinder. So the cylinder, so we are asked to specify the center. You can enter the radius or the diameter of the cylinder. So type D, press enter. The diameter, let's say, is 100. Press enter, and then now the height. So you can specify the height you want. So that you have the cylinder. Now let's go ahead to draw the cone. So as I said, you can type. So you can say cone, C-O-N, then select cone. So AutoCAD is asking us to specify the center. So specify there, and then the radius or diameter. So you can move your mouse up to the measurements you want, or key in the measurements. Then drag it up or down. So whichever, you have your mouse, your cone. So the height, talk about the vertical height, type the vertical height that you're required to do. Once you're done, you press enter. Now, the next thing, we want to draw is a sphere. So a sphere. So specify the center, and then the diameter, you key in the diameter. So with that, you have your sphere. Now, for the pyramid, pyramids are similar to cones, except that the base of the pyramid is not circular in shape. So we have the pyramid here. So you may type PYR or get the pyramid command from the modeling tab, the ribbon. So the first command is specify the center. Once you specify the center, now AutoCAD asks you to create a polygon. What is inscribed? If you look here, we have inscribed. So you type the radius of our circle, enter. Now you either take it the mouse upward or downward. So this is let's say our height is 100, and then so now we have our pyramid here. So for sketching a torus, type TOR, select torus. So now for the radius, you can specify any radius you want. So let me say I want a radius of 100. Press enter. Now you have the torus. The next thing I want to create is a wedge. You have a wedge here. Select the wedge. So specify the center. Now you're being asked to specify other corner. So let's say that's the other corner. Now the height, take it upward or downwards, whichever direction you may wish to draw your wedge, and the height. So with that, we have the wedge. So one more thing I want us to look at under the primitive here is on the cone. So I want to draw a cone. Let's say we have a cone there. Let's say the base radius of our cone. We enter the radius of 200. Press enter. Now, if you look at the command line here, we have top, axis, endpoint, and 2 point. So I want us to select the top radius, and we say the top radius, let's say, so unfortunately this one, let me repeat. So start the cone. So this is the center. So the radius, let's say, is 200. So take the cursor upward. Top radius, you may type T, press enter. Now the top radius, enter it as 100. Enter, and then the height, let's make the height 400. So with that, we have a cone which is cut at the top, so we sometimes call it a frastum. So that's all about the primitive of the box, cylinder, cone, sphere, wedge, and torus. Thank you, and see you in the next video.